are going to share three reports. First report is about Ethiopian army troops which are being deployed to Dessie, Mirsa, Voldia and Kobo. Second report is about Tigray Defense Force which are moving towards Semira airport. Your third report is about the mediation between Ethiopian government and Tigray People's Liberation Front. Viewers, as per reports, large number of Ethiopian army troops are moving to South Wollo zone. They are planning a new attack. Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies are moving towards Dessie. Dessie is under the control of Amhara's forces. It is being reported that Ethiopian National Defense Force troops can move towards Mirsa, Voldia and Kobo. Large number of tanks and heavy artillery was also seen during the mobilization of Ethiopian army troops. Peace fighting can be start in coming hours. Ethiopian troops and militia in the country's Amhara region have been mobilizing following a series of attacks by Tigray forces. Now let's move to the second report. Several Tigray Defense Force supporters are reporting that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are advancing towards Semira airport. They claimed that Ethiopian Air Force used drone attacks to stop Tigray Defense Force, but Tigray Defense Force are brave. They are heading towards Semira airport. Here you will be remembered Tigray Defense Force captured Abala town this week and now they are advancing towards Semira airport. Some sources are reporting that Abala is not under the full control of Tigray Defense Force. It is partially under the control of Tigray Defense Force. But Tigray Defense Force is moving to other areas in the Afar region. It is also being reported that peace fighting is underway between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force backed by Afar forces near Semira airport. Now let's move to the third report. Ethiopian Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Ahmed has directed South Sudan's President Salva Kiir to start mediation between Ethiopia's federal government and the Tigray People's Liberation Front. The move comes following Kiir's visit to the Ethiopia capital Addis Ababa, where he attended the swearing-in ceremony of Mr. Ahmed for a new term as the country's Prime Minister. Where President Kiir used the visit to discuss with the Ethiopian Prime Minister the possibility of starting the mediation process between the federal government and the Tigray People's Liberation Front. South Sudan presidency spokesman Atene said the mediation will start as soon as possible. He disclosed that the president did not start mediation right away simply because he was waiting for this inauguration ceremony that has given Abiy Ahmed a mandate by people of Democratic Federal of Ethiopia, whereby he is now ready to embark on the role. Viewers, these were 3 reports. For more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.